Hello everyone, welcome to How-FixIT. If the fan in your PS5 Slim is not working, not spinning, or completely broken, this guide will show you how to replace the fan and get your console running cool again. Let's get started. Place the console on its side with the disk drive facing up. The top cover is held in place by clips. Gently lift the front edge to release them. You should hear distinct clicks, signaling that the clips have disengaged properly. Next, use a T8 torque security screwdriver to remove the 4 screws securing the fan. Once the screws are out, carefully remove the plastic cover that conceals the fan cable connector. Now, disconnect the fan cable from its socket and gently remove the fan. If you're replacing the fan, use this part number to find a compatible replacement. I've also included a link to a replacement fan for the PS5 Slim in the video description below. If your fan is making very loud noises, it may not need replacing right away. I recommend checking out my other video tutorial, How to Fix PS5 Slim Overheating, Disassembly, and Dust Cleaning. Dust buildup inside the console can cause the fan to spin faster to cool the internal components, which leads to louder noise levels. Try cleaning the cooling system before opting for a replacement. If cleaning doesn't reduce the noise, then it's time to replace the fan. Check out the useful links in the video description below. Secure the fan with 4 screws. Finally, to install the covers, align the hooks into their cutouts along the edge of the case, then pull the opposite edge of the cover until the grooves snap into place. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. Visit our website for more tech insights and do-it-yourself guides. Remember, every tech challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. If you spilled sugary water on your PS5 controller and the buttons are sticking, check out my tutorial on how to clean and restore it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.